Goodwill in partnership accounts, sum number 10. In this sum, we are going to use capitalization of super profit method. Find out the value of goodwill by capitalizing super profits. Normal rate of return is 10%. Profit for the last 4 years are 30,000, 40,000, 50,000 and 45,000. A non-recurring income of rupees 3,000 is included in the above mentioned profit of rupees 30,000. Average capital employed is 3 lakh. In capitalization of super profit method, goodwill is equal to super profit by normal rate of return into 100. As we know that super profit is equal to average profit minus normal profit. For the calculation of average profit is equal to total profit by number of years. And for the calculation of normal profit is equal to capital employed into normal rate of return. And for the calculation of capital employed is equal to assets minus liabilities. As we know that in capitalization of super profit method, goodwill is equal to super profit by normal rate of return into 100. Super profit is equal to average profit minus normal profit. The calculation of average profit, first we have to adjust the profit and then we have to substitute in average profit. Profits are 30,000, 40,000, 50,000 and 45,000. We have to less rupees 3,000 of non-recurring income in the profit of rupees 30,000. We have to less 3,000 for the profit of 30,000, which will gives you rupees 27,000, and we have to brought down the amount of rest of the profits, which is our profit after adjustment. As we know that average profit is equal to total profit by number of years. The amounts for total profits are 27,000, 40,000, 50,000 and 45,000, and number of years is 4 years. Now let me explain about you that how will you get 40,500 if we divide 1,62,000 by 4. Usually student used to make a mistake while dividing this. Let me explain this now. 4 4s are 16 and the remainder is 0. So here simultaneously we are bringing two numbers. So we have to include 0 in the quotient. And 4 5s are 20 and again the remainder is 0. And the remaining two zeros should also included in the quotient. So our average profit is rupees 40,500. Now we have to find the amount for normal profit. As we know that normal profit is equal to capital employed into normal rate of return. The amount for capital employed is 3 lakh and normal rate of return is 10%. 3 lakh into 10%, which is 10 by 100, will gives you 30,000, which is our normal profit. Now we have to substitute average profit and normal profit in super profit. As we know that super profit is equal to average profit minus normal profit. The amount for average profit is 40,500 and the amount for normal profit is 30,000. If we list 40,500 with 30,000 will gives you 10,500, which is our super profit. We have to substitute the amount of super profit in goodwill. The amount for super profit is 10,500 and normal rate of return is 10. If we calculate this, we will get 1,05,000, which is our amount of goodwill.